How to use Trello for customer relationship management. Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can use Trello for customer relationship management. So if this is your question, ensure you watch to the end so that you would not miss any important information. Using Trello for customer relationship management can be a game changer for you actually, because to help you manage your sales pipeline and customer interaction. So this is how to do it. The first step is to log in into your account, then move to the left side of the screen and then create a board for this purpose. Now, if you don't want to create a new board, you can just make use of one of the boards that you have and then edit it to suit you. So for example, I'll make use of this financial tracker board, but instead I'll rename it as CRM, which is customer relationship management. So after creating a board for this purpose, the next step is to create lists. All right, create lists that outline or represent the stages of your sales pipeline. And then this list can have headings such as leads, contacts made, negotiation closed. Okay, so for example, this one could be leads. All right, and this other one could be contacts made. Okay, this could be negotiation. All right, and then once you're done creating list for this, then you would have to add contact as cards. Yes, you have to add contact as card. For each lead or contact, create a card. And in this card, include important details in the card description, such as contact information and account details. For example, this is a card. So this card, um, I just change the name to the name of the contact. So maybe the person's name is Favor, and then you write description about the person's contact, how far you go with the person, and then you can also add members, other members that can follow up on this person. You can add checklists, you can add labels to categorize this particular contact or lead from others. Okay, and you ensure that the contact you're adding under it is majorly just the lead. Okay, you can then add cards to add other contacts. This one could be Peter. Just add as many as you want. And then for the contacts made as well, ensure you add cards also that speak about um add cards that speak about that person. And then you can move cards through stages. Okay, as you progress with a lead, move the card to the next level or to the next column to visualize or to visually track the advancement of your relationship. That is, if for example this particular contact or your card that you see, this particular person is no longer just a lead, the person is now under the negotiation lists. All you need to do is to move the card. Okay, you have to do that. Click on this pencil icon, click move, and then the board, then list, then select negotiation. Click on move, and then just like that, the person would move from leads to negotiation. This should show your progress, okay, and to track how far you've gone with the person. Then you can also use labels to prioritize to include criteria such as maybe urgency, product interest, or customer segment. This depends on the color that you used or you selected for that particular effect. Then you can integrate this particular board with other tools, okay? Tools that can help you follow up, tools such as Salesforce, all right, or Zero X. And to do that, you have to make use of your Power Ups. And that is by going to the top right side of the screen where you can see some icons like Google Drive, Power Ups. You just click on Power Ups. Then you click on Add Power Ups at the lower part of the box displayed. And then wait for the Power Ups window to be displayed. And then once it has been displayed, move to the left side of the screen, click on the search icon, then type out sales or see as you can see. Then you can add this as a power up so that you can use it to further track your sales pipeline in Trello. All right, so this is how it works. This is majorly the way you can use Trello to enhance your customer relationship management. Thanks for watching and have a good day.